Okay, so first off, let's look at question 20. You're now going to prepare some reports for the company. Make sure that all the currency values display the euro sign to 2 decimal places. Using the suitable database package, we're going to import this file and we're going to make sure they have these field names and data types. Okay, so first off, what we need to do is to open up Microsoft Access and create a blank database. With this blank database, we're just going to create one first. Okay, and now we're going to import our data from J216 AD Sports. So to do that, we're going to go to External Data and we're going to select Text File because we're going to import a CSV file, which is a text file. It stands for comma separated values. Okay, and we're going to select Browse and find the folder that you're looking for, and we're going to double click on the sports. Now we select OK, and this brings up a box. This is an import text wizard, and what we're saying here is delimited. What we're saying is it's separated by a comma or a tab. In this instance, you can see each of the fields are separated by a comma. Okay, so we're going to go next, and we're choosing the delimiter, which is a comma. Make sure it's very important that you remember that the first row contains field names. If you don't select this, it will sort everything out into order, including the headings. Okay, so first row contains the field names. Click on next. Now what we want to do here is we want to make sure that we have the field names and types. So course code, activity and type are text, and we can have a look in here what it says. So we got text, text, text. Rating over here, it says rating is going to be integer. We have an integer. Cornwall is text. Now Boolean and logical, what this means is there are only 2 outcomes. The outcomes are on or off, yes or no, 1 or 0. Okay, so we're going to change this from integer to yes or no. Okay, we're going to come back and format that later. And the course cost says it's going to be in currency, so we choose currency. And the duration is going to be integer. Okay, click on next. Primary key, it says set the course code as a primary key. So we're going to select course code as the primary key, and then we click on next. And this is going to be the name of the table. Click on finish. And if it's successful, you'll see it won't have any errors. We're going to close this table, we don't need this, and we're going to double click to open up this table. Now we just want to check everything. We do need to change this. We do want to display it as yes or no. So to do that, we change our view to the design view. So we go to our home tab, design view, and we choose, you have to click on the residential for the options to appear down here. And we have the option here to format. We're going to choose yes and no. And once we've done this, we can go back to change our view. It will ask if we want to save. Select yes, and you'll see it now shows us yes and no. Okay, and for the screenshot, take a screenshot of the evidence showing the field names and data types used in the table and place this in your evidence document. Now the screenshot is going to be showing this page here, and you take your screenshot like so and you paste it into your Word document for your evidence like so. Okay, that's the end of question 20. Thank you.